Well, we remain in your corner following the deadly collapse of the Francis Scott Key Bridge. Earlier this week, the body of the fifth worker, Miguel Luna, was recovered from the wreckage site. This now leaves one worker who remains missing, as 5 of the 6 victims have now been recovered. Today, Miguel Luna's family and loved ones held a fundraiser at his food truck in Anne Arundel County, and Caroline Forbach joins us live from where that event just wrapped up. Caroline, good evening.
Good evening, Kelsey. That food truck was Miguel Luna and his wife Carmen's dream, and they worked very hard to make it come true. Now his family is trying to keep that dream and Miguel's legacy alive. It's been an agonizing 5 weeks for the family of Miguel Luna. The 49-year-old was one of the 6 construction workers killed in the Francis Scott Key Bridge collapse. Salvage teams finally recovered his body on Wednesday.
I want to say a lot of time is in a lot of waiting, and it's being very hard, very hard.
WJZ spoke with Luna's stepdaughter Esther Saturday at the family's authentic Latin food truck in Glen Burnie. Family and friends held a fundraiser in his honor, collecting donations to help support his wife and 3 children. Originally from El Salvador, Luna lived in Maryland for nearly 20 years. Esther says they feel blessed to have the support from the community during this time.
I just want to say he was a hero to the community, for us. Also back in our country, he was a hero too.
Quiero decir que mi esposo es el mejor hombre del mundo. Trabajar duro para su esposa, para sus hijos.
That was Miguel's wife, Carmen, saying her husband was the best man in the whole world, and he worked hard for his wife and kids. Now, Governor Wes Moore said in a statement on Wednesday, our #1 directive is to bring dignified closure and comprehensive support to all of the families of the victims of the Key Bridge collapse. We will continue our relentless search to recover every victim. Reporting live here in Glen Burnie, Caroline Forbach for WJZ. Kelsey.